Hello there! Today we are going to learn to make a lovely shirt and coat for Dad's Crafty shirt and coat duo. We would need some printed template sheets provided in the book, along with some buttons, scissors and a white glue. We begin the making of the duo by first separating the template sheet from the book. In the next step, we will carefully cut out the coat and shirt elements along the dotted lines with precision. In the next step, we will make the collar of the shirt. For the collar of the shirt, slightly overlap the cuts and securely paste them together. Next, open the flaps of the coat and adhere the shirt to the designated area as shown. Now our shirt and coat duo is almost ready. In the final step, we will add the finishing touch to it and paste the provided buttons in the areas indicated. And your coat and shirt are now ready to be gifted to your father.